Xemelgo's work-in-process management dashboard streamlines production management with an interactive map of department performance. Customized to your facility, the WIP dashboard leverages low-cost sensors to automatically track work order location and status in real time. This customization ensures an accurate view of each area's status directly on the dashboard and is easily expandable and scalable for added visibility. The dashboard's color coding, red for critical areas, yellow for warnings, and green for on-track performance, keeps leaders and frontline teams informed of department health at a glance. The floor status view monitors the age of work orders to prevent bottlenecks and flags locations with orders that have been sitting too long based on thresholds set by your team. The expedite view identifies locations containing orders marked expedited by your production control or leadership team that need attention. Finding work orders is fast and simple. Enter an order number or part number to see its status and location. Alternatively, clicking on a location on the map will allow you to see priority orders in that area by their status. Clicking again on the map zooms in to identify the exact location of orders at specific workstations. At any time, clicking on a work order number will take you to the corresponding details page so your team can investigate issues and get things back on track. For a deeper dive into how the Xemelgo work-in-process tracking solution can streamline your operations and improve productivity, visit Xemelgo.com.